Want to make your Mac Mini more productive? Then you can use keyboard shortcuts for better user experience. In this video, we will show you top 5 useful keyboard shortcuts on M1 Mac Mini. So let's check it out. We will be using both Mac and Windows keyboard. You can use a keyboard shortcut to access and hide Spotlight easily. In Mac keyboard, press Command and Spacebar. You will get the Spotlight. Now press the same keys again and it will be hidden. Now if you are using a Windows keyboard, there is no command. In that case, this Windows button will become the command. Now press the Windows button and spacebar together and you will be able to access the Spotlight. Now press the same buttons again and it will be hidden. If you like to multitask, you can get App Switcher easily by using the keyboard shortcuts. In Mac keyboards, press Command plus Tabs. You will get the App Switcher. Use the same buttons to switch between the apps. And for the Windows keyboard, press this Windows button and Tabs button together. And they will function as same as the Command plus Tab command with the Mac keyboard. You can take partial and full screenshot with different keyboard shortcuts, but in M1 Mac Mini, you can access the complete screenshot tool and screen record tool by pressing the Shift, Command and 5 together. You will get the complete screenshot tool. You can select various options like full screen screenshot, partial screenshot and even screen record. In the Windows keyboard, simply press Shift, Windows key and 5 and you will get the screenshot and screen record tool with it. If your M1 Mac Mini got stuck due to app crash or there are too many apps running in the background and you want to force quit them, you need to force quit the apps by using keyboard shortcut. In Mac keyboard, press Command, Option and Escape together. You will get a pop-up box. Select the apps you need to delete or you can delete all of them together. Click Force Quit. Again click Force Quit and they will be closed. And in the Windows keyboard, press Windows button, Alt and Escape together. You will get the same Force Quit pop-up and you can force quit the apps from here. You can make your Mac Mini go to sleep or wake it by using keyboard shortcut. Unfortunately, this shortcut only works for Mac keyboards. You have to press Option Command and Media Eject together. Your Mac Mini will go to sleep. Again press the same keys and it will be open. Now if you have a Windows keyboard, this process might not work, but you can lock your screen with the keyboard shortcuts. Now press the Windows button, Ctrl and Q together and your screen will be locked. Now when you want to get into the screen, enter your user passcode and you will be in it. So guys, these are the keyboard shortcuts will make your M1 Mac Mini user experience better and more productive. Thank you for staying with us. If you like the video, let us know about it in the comment below. Thank you.